Hey guys, Rafa here, Preferred Plumbing. So check this out. You're gonna see one of our technicians do a toilet replacement. So what happened was our customer called us in with a toilet issue. And the toilet wasn't even in horrible shape. It was basically a poor brand. It was not a quality product. It was an off-brand, which break down and then you can't replace it because you can't service it, sorry, because there's no parts. So our technicians essentially explained clearly to the customer what his options were, and the customer chose to have the toilet replaced. So check this out. You see what we did first here. The first thing is, obviously we disconnect the supply from the toilet. We remove the toilet. We dispose of it for the client. Then you can see the floor here is dirty. So we first sanitize, clean the floor thoroughly. Then we install a new gasket and hardware onto the flange, which is what the toilet's gonna connect to. And as you can see, we also get the supply pipe set up. Once the new toilet is in place, you can see we tighten down the hardware that keeps the toilet base firm to the floor. And then we make sure we also supply and install a new emergency stop valve and a new supply line. So you can see the toilet's fully installed now, hooked up properly, new supply valve so we can safely turn on and off the supply of water to the toilet, new escutcheon, which is that nice chrome decorative cover that makes the pipe look nice coming to the wall. We also clean all the corrosion off the pipe so you can see that as well. And you're left with a beautiful toilet. This one is a Toto Eco Ultra Max. It flushes really well. It has a self-cleaning feature as well. And it's all done. There you have it. How to professionally replace a toilet. Give us a call.